flooding. Oh my God, flooding. And I think most, if not all of us, could relate to flooding. But I want you to look at your community. I want you to look at you. And we're going to personify flooding. We're going to look at what is the genesis of this issue. How this thing starts. What caused it flooding? You know? So that's what we're looking at all here. Name an issue or structure or system, personify it, interrogate it. Where is it? Oh God, I need to press. I control it now. Hey, I get so excited. I'm going to say, Emmanuel, next slide.
This is the lighting setup that I use. This is clamshell lighting. I have my main light, my key light above her, and in an octabox, that softbox on top there, that's the octabox. And then I have a 5-foot reflector that is actually resting on her lap, bouncing the light back up under her chin. Because if you look under her chin, you see how nice and soft the shadows start to get under the chin. So I add that there. This is our next shot of it, but this is taken with the phone. All right, so this is not even the fancy camera thing yet. All right, but you can see how the picture look, or in the background I added that pink light in the back. So she likes pink. She choose the color as the color of the business, and put that on the shelf and just have that in the background there, right?
You see the little basic thing here? This is the general fundamental editing tools that you would use. The exposure, the contrast, you know, you adjust it, you see how it affecting the image, the image falling apart here again, you know, we don't deal up with that, right? And you edit your photos to suit. So now you have the before and the after, right? And you realize it's a big difference, but it's a good difference. Like the one on the left, it's so boring, it's so plain, you know? It's like a doubles without sweet sauce. I don't care if they like sweet sauce and all the doubles have to have sweet sauce, right? And the one on the right is a edited version of the image. It looks much more vibrant, much more appealing, and that is the function and the purpose of editing.